Magnaivasha atiri nyaka kaunti ma Mombasa. Ten migao mar lo kod gedo mar udi e kaunti ma Mombasa ochiwo siem ne moko kuom jogo mikoni osebedo ka chugo receipts mabandia ka gitemo lengo wach chulo osuru e kaunti ma Mombasa. Kano loso gi jofwamb weche jatend migao no e kaunti ma Mombasa Mohamed Hussein koni giseyango ni nitiere jomoko maloso riside mabandia manyiso ni gisechulo ushuru gino mabende gikoni duoko chien kiwango mar osuru matend kaunti osebedo ka choko. Okoni dweche 4 mosekalo piny owacho mamalo pok ochwalo omwom ne tend kaunti ma Mombasa gino magikoni medo mana rocho chenro mopogore mitayo e kaunti no.
Wale ambao hawajalipa land rates tunawa encourage walipe kabla deadline ifike, kwa sababu tumeongezea grace period, na ikifika hapo hatutakuwa lenient tena. Tutahakikisha tunafuata sheria ili watu walipe. Na kuna watu wamejaribu kuforge receipts, bank slips, na majina yao tutayapublish kwa notice, kwa magazeti, social media. Ukiona jina lako, tafadhali njoo mbele uprovide original receipts, any proof of payment kabla tujachukua sheria. It is important to note that over the last 4 months, Mombasa County has not received the statutory revenue allocation by the national government that supports in service delivery to the people of Mombasa. Revenue collection is a critical aspect of the development of this county. Devolution has provided us the opportunity to generate our own revenue to fund our development. Land rates is one of the on-source revenue streams that will enable the county to finance development projects and enhance service delivery for all.